हमेशा ही रहना, कभी न कहना अलविदा। मेरी सुबह हो तुम्हें और तुम्हें शाम हो, तुम दर्द हो तुम्हें आराम हो। मेरी दुआओं से आती है बस ये सदा, मेरी हो के हमेशा ही रहना, कभी न कहना अलविदा। मेरी होके हमेशा ही रहना, कभी न कहना और तुम्हें शाम हो, तुम दर्द हो तुम्हें आराम हो। मेरी दुआओं से आती है बस ये सदा, मेरी होके हमें हमेशा ही रहना, कभी न कहना अलविदा। मेरी होके हमेशा ही रहना, कभी न कहना अलविदा। Georgia, wrap me up in all yours, in my arms so late. let me hold ya. I'll never let you go again like I did. Oh, I used to say I will never fall in love again till I found her. I said I will never fall unless it's you I've fallen to. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her, I found you. Heaven, when I held you again, how could we ever just be friends? I would rather die than let you go. Juliet, or Romeo, how I heard you say I will never fall in love again till I found her. I said I will never fall unless it's you I've fallen to. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her, I found you. चाहे तुम कुछ ना कहो, मैंने सुन लिया कि साथ प्यार का मुझे चुन लिया, मैंने सुन लिया। पहला कुमार, नया प्यार है इंतजार, कर लूं मैं क्या अपना हाल, ये दिल बेकरार, मेरे दिल बेकरार, तू ही बता। पहला नशा, पहला कुमार, नया प्यार है कर लूं मैं क्या अपना हाल, ये दिल बेकरार, मेरे दिल बेकरार, तू ही बता। उड़ता ही फिरूं इन हवाओं में कहीं, क्या मैं झूल जाऊं इन गठाओं में कहीं। उड़ता ही फिरूं इन हवाओं में कहीं, क्या मैं झूल जाऊं इन हवाओं में कहीं। एक कर दूं आसमां और ज़मीन, कहो यारों क्या करूं क्या नहीं। पहला नशा, पहला कुमार, नया प्यार है नया इंतजार, कर लूं मैं क्या अपना हाल, ये दिल बेकरार, मेरे दिल बेकरार, तू ही बता। पहला नशा, पहला कुमार, नया प्यार है नया इंतजार, कर लूं मैं क्या अपना हाल, ये दिल बेकरार, मेरे दिल बेकरार, तू ही बता।
हेलो हेलो
found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, but darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, heard a lover to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we are so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time, but darling, just kiss me hand. My baby, my girl, be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. Said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but heard it telling you look perfect tonight.
ಹಲೋ ಚಿಕ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹಾಡು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೈತಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬರಲಿ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಏ ದೇವ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Hello.
Hello.
Check. Good evening to all. The drumbeat rolls, the band strikes up, and a high-pitched voice issues the command. The synchronized swing of arms and the sound of thudding feet stirs something within me. Besides being spectacular, there is something interesting about a march past. Perhaps it is the sense of dignity and honor that the cadets bring to it.
As the band of Assisi receives our guests and lead them towards this playground, let us give a standing ovation and give a big round of applause. Tiny seeds make boundless harvest, drops of rain compose the showers, seconds make the flying minutes, and the minutes make the hours.
Galaxy lectures, invited guests, parents, teachers, and my dear friends. A pleasant evening to you all. How different is this evening?
Yes, today is a special and memorable occasion where we'll remember a year ahead.
Well, on behalf of our principal, teaching staff, and students, we welcome you all to our annual day function. Dance, I will give thanks to the Almighty, proclaim His greatness, and tell the nations what He has done.
Dance unto the light, sways to the sound of time. Watch the angel bright as they dance within your mind. Let us evoke God's blessings through an invocation dance.
असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ജ്യോതിർഗമയ മൃത്യോർമാ അമൃതം ഗമയ. സത്യസ്വരൂപ പരിപാലക തവ ചരണം ശരണം. ജ്യോതിപ്രദായക ജഗദീശ്വര തവ ചരണം ശരണം. ജീവദായക പ്രഭുവരനെ സച്ചിദാനന്ദ ഗുരുവരനെ. ജീവദായക പ്രഭുവരനെ സച്ചിദാനന്ദ ഗുരുവരനെ. തവ ചരണം ശരണം ശരണം കരുണാമയ സാഗരമേ. തവ ചരണം ശരണം ശരണം കരുണാമയ സാഗരമേ. സത്യസ്വരൂപ പരിപാലക തവ ചരണം ശരണം. ജ്യോതിപ്രദായക ജഗദീശ്വര തവ ചരണം ശരണം. ജ്യോതിസാം നിൻ തിരുസവിധേ പ്രണമാഞ്ജലിയായി തൃപ്പാദ പൂജയ്ക്കായി. മഹാജ്യോതിസാം നിൻ തിരുസവിധേ പ്രണമാഞ്ജലിയായി തൃപ്പാദ പൂജയ്ക്കായി. സ്നേഹദീപമേ സത്യസ്വരൂപ പരിപാലക തവ ചരണം ശരണം. ജ്യോതിപ്രദായക ജഗദീശ്വര തവ ചരണം ശരണം. ശരണം 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 ശരണം.
Thank you, friends, for your graceful dance. Dance is surely the most basic relevant of all forms of expression.
Dance is a language beyond words, expressing that for which we have no words.
Let us invite our dancers from grade 3rd to welcome the gathering through a welcome dance.
Thank you, friends, for your wonderfully rich and highly engaging performance.
The fragrance of flowers spreads in only the direction of the wind, but the goodness of a person spreads in all directions. Amongst us, we have Reverend Sister Clara Menezes,
Esteemed Chief Guest, Miss Divya Satish Shetty,
Guest of Honor Father Victor De Mello,
Sister Benedicta Fernandez, the correspondent,
Sister Sandra Rodriguez, the animator of Shanti Nilaya community.
Mr. Mohan Singhe, PTA Vice President.
May I now request our principal, Sister Shanti Vilma de Almeida, to escort the dignitaries to the dais.
Thank you, Sister.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Everybody come a welcome. Welcome. To the party come a welcome. Welcome. There's another cup for everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
We must welcome the future, remembering that soon it will be the past, and we must respect the past, remembering that once it was humanly possible.
Words are rose petal that sprinkle with fragrance to invite you one and all with warm greeting. Not merely words, but our heartfelt feeling filled with emotion to add flavor to welcome you all here.
With this thought, I request Sister Renita Rodriguez to welcome the gathering.
Good evening, dear friends. Greetings to everyone present here. Today is a joyful day to our Assisians because we celebrate a great event, Assisi Fiesta 2024. The glittering faces who set forth me today are the bright future of this country's tomorrow. I am extremely privileged to get the opportunity today to welcome the galaxy of intellects on behalf of this institution. We have with us respected President of the Day, Reverend Sister Clara Menezes, Provincial Superior of Mangalore Province. Your remarkable leadership and dedication have inspired us all. Your selfless love and compassion towards our children have created a nurturing environment fostering their growth and development. We are grateful for your guidance, which have been instrumental in shaping our institution's values and principles. I extend a cordial welcome to you, dear sister. We are honored to have Mrs. Divya Satish Shetty, President of Koteka Town Panchayat, as our chief guest on this momentous occasion. Your leadership and dedication to public service is truly remarkable. A delightful welcome to you for this program. Sister Benedicta Fernandez, our correspondent, your availability and support for every program have been remarkable. Your interest towards our school growth and well-being are truly appreciated. I extend a heartfelt welcome to you, dear sister. Sister Shanti Vilma de Almeida, our principal. Your visionary leadership, support have been instrumental in shaping our students' minds and hearts. Your tireless efforts to foster academic excellence, creativity, and character having inspired us all. I owe my respectful welcome to you, dear sister. Dr. Mohan Singhe, Vice President of our Executive PTA, a proud parent of our student, renowned professor, we appreciate your collaboration and availability. A joyful welcome to you, dear sir. Sister Sandra L. Rodriguez, the Superior of Shanti Nilaya Convent, is with us. Sister, we experience your constant support in all our activities. I extend a splendid welcome to you, dear sister. Here with us, our school SPL, Anaga Guruprasad. We heartily welcome to you to this program. Finally, I welcome all the guests, esteemed teachers, non-teaching staffs, sisters from neighboring communities, PTA members, parents, alumni, DELSON Media, SOZA Arrangers, AMJ Enterprises, Star Studio, well-wishers, and our vibrant students, a colorful welcome to you all. May I now request our staff to present the token of appreciation and welcome.
With a thankful heart, I thank you, Sister Anita, for your kind words of welcome, and a warm welcome to your dear sister.
Our chief guest embodies the spirit of excellence, inspiring us all to reach for the stars and make a lasting impact.
We are privileged to have a leader of such distinction, grace us with their wisdom and guidance today.
Now I request Mrs. Divya Satish Shetty to take a honorable seat.
I request Mrs. Vidya Shri to read words of felicitation to Mrs. Divya Satish Shetty
and all the dignitaries on the stage to honor her.
ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲಾ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವದ ಶುಭ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ವೇದಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಅಲಂಕರಿಸಿರುವ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ದಿವ್ಯಾ ಸತೀಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಇವರನ್ನು ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ವಿಷಯವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಕೋಟೆಕಾರ್ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ತನ್ನ ಪದವಿಯನ್ನು ಮೇಲ್ದರ್ಜೆಗೇರಿಸಿ ಪಟ್ಟಣ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಡ್ತಿಗೊಂಡ ವರ್ಷ 2016ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಂತಹ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಚುನಾವಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಟೆಕಾರ್ 11ನೇ ವಾರ್ಡಿನ ಮಡ್ಯಾರ್ ಪನೀರ್ನ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಯ್ಕೆಗೊಂಡರು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ 2021ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಂತಹ ಪಟ್ಟಣ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಚುನಾವಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 6ನೇ ವಾರ್ಡ್ ಬಗಂಬಿಲದಲ್ಲಿ 2ನೇ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮರು ಆಯ್ಕೆಗೊಂಡರು. ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿದಂತೆ 2024ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಂತಹ ಕೋಟೆಕಾರ್ ಪಟ್ಟಣ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಚುನಾವಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷೆಯಾಗಿ ಆಯ್ಕೆಯಾಗಿ ಜನಮನ್ನಣೆಗೆ ಪಾತ್ರರಾದಂತಹ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಸಿಸ್ ಶಾಲೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಪಡುತ್ತದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಗ ಕರೆಗೆ ಒಗ್ಗೊಟ್ಟು ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮನಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದಂತಹ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಆಭಾರಿ ಹಾಗೂ ರಾಜಕೀಯವಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಉಜ್ವಲವಾಗಲಿ ಎಂದು ಆಶಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲಾ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಕಾಣಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಗೌರವಾಧಾರದಿಂದ ತಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
Congratulations and celebration when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilation. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented, but that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I let you walk into my heart. Congratulations.
We are grateful and honored to have Mrs. Divya Satish Shetty here today to share their knowledge and experience with our students and faculty. Thank you for accepting our invitation, and we are eager to hear your thoughts.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ಅಸ್ಸಿಸಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಡೇ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಬಿಂದುವಾಗಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪುಟಾಣಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಪೋಷಕರೇ, ಕೋಟೆಕಾರ್ ಪಟ್ಟಣ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಯ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಾದ ಈ ಅಸ್ಸಿಸಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಹಾಗೂ ಒಂದು ಸುಸಜ್ಜಿತ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ ಒಂದು ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಬಗಂಬಿಲ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿಯಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಒಂದು ಹಂತವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ, ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲು, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಈಗ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ತನಕ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗಳು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿವೆ. ಈ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು CBSE ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಕಾರಣ ಹಲವು ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬೇರೆ ಭಾಗಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು CBSE ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆಯಾಗೋದು ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಒಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ವಿಷಯ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಬೆಳೆಯಬೇಕಿದ್ದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಪಾತ್ರ ಕೂಡ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ 100% ಬರಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಉಂಟೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಉಂಟು. ಈಗ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಮಕ್ಕಳೊಂದು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಆ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಹಿಂದೆ ಆ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಗಳ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ನವರ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ಬೋದಂತ ನಾನು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎನಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ವಿಧವಾದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು, ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು, ಹಾಗೆ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಇದರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅವರ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಉಜ್ವಲವಾಗಲಿ ಎಂದು ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಸಿದ ಈ ಶಾಲೆ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಇಂತಹ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸ್ವಾಗತ, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸತ್ಕಾರವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ವರ್ಗದವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ವಿರಮಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Thank you, sister. Thank you, sister, for your meaningful insights.
It is said that great leaders create more leaders. Day is brighter because great leader is with us. Yes, we have an eminent personality as president of the program, Reverend Sister Clara Menezes.
We are excited to listen your insights, which will surely inspire us all. Let us welcome sister with a big round of applause to share her views.
Every great dream begins with a dreamer. Always remember, we have within us the strength, the patience and the passion to reach for the stars, to change the world. Today, we gather to celebrate a year of excellence, achievement and growth. Distinguished guests in the days, Chief Guest Mrs. Divya Satish Shetty, President of Kotika Town Panchayat, Dr. Mohan Singhe, Vice President of Executive PTA, Sister Vilma D. Almeida, Principal of Assisi Central School, Sister Benedicta Fernandez, the Correspondent, Sister Sandra Rodriguez, the Superior, Shantinilaya Convent, SPL, Reverend Fathers, Sisters, dedicated teachers, parents, our bright stars, the students, well-wishers, and my dear friends. It is an absolute delight to be part of this vibrant Assisi Fiesta of the prestigious Assisi Central School, where the principal, correspondent, staff, along with the parents, have passion to reach for the stars. They are the students to change the world by motivating them with their greatest strength. On behalf of the management of Ursuline Franciscan Educational Society and on my behalf, I extend warmest congratulations to the principal, staff, parents and students for the performance of the highest quality, outstanding academic results, impressive showcase of talents, remarkable achievements in sports and national recognition. You have made us proud. Your hard work, dedication, collective passion to nurture and inspire young minds is truly commendable. Please join me in applauding the principal, Sister Vilma, the staff, parents and students for their outstanding accomplishment. Let's give them a good clap. I want to begin with a story to convey the message. Once, a mentally troubled child came home and gave a letter from his teacher to his mother. Reading through the letter, the mother's eyes filled with tears. "Mum, is there a problem?" he asked. With a shaky voice, the mother slowly began to read the contents of the letter aloud. "Your son is genius. This school is too small for him and doesn't have enough good teachers to train him. Please teach him yourself." The boy was dumbfounded. The next morning, Nancy Edison pulled her son out of the school and from that day began to teach him submarine radar, a cinema, and about 1,000 other inventions that helped to usher in the modern age. He was celebrated worldwide as the father of the inventions. One day, he was going through his mother's closet after her death and found the teacher's letter. He opened it and read the message. "Your son is mentally ill. We cannot let him attend our school anymore. He is expelled." Thomas Edison then realized what his mother did, which probably saved his life and future. He wept as he wrote in his diary, "Thomas Alva Edison was mentally ill child whose mother turned him into the genius of the century." A single negative word can make or destroy anyone's future. A single positive word can build child's future. Positive words have greater power in anyone's life, especially as we take care of the well-being of our children as parents and teachers. Yes, my dear staff and the parents, children will bloom today or tomorrow, but we all need to take great care of them in every sphere. Not only academics, talents and sports, even values and characteristics too, to give them the space to bloom and to be flowered luxuriously in the society by being good citizens of our nation, where everyone counts on goodness and the ability of our students or children. As Abdul Kalam, a great reader, rightly said, "First, we need to learn to be human, rest will follow." May this Assisi Fiesta inspire us to continue striving for excellence and making a positive impact in the world. I take this opportunity to thank you, dear Sister Vilma, the principal of this prestigious Assisi Central School, and the staff for inviting me to be the president of Assisi Fiesta. Thank you, dear parents of our students who are really generous in rendering your help and support for the success of this event. By concluding, I wish you, dear students, exhilarating moments ahead, fun and excitement. I wish you every success and good health. May God bless us all.
Thank you, sister. We acknowledge your efforts for delivering insightful talk.
Gratitude is a quality similar to electricity. It must be produced and discharged. Here comes Mrs. Greta Dias to express words of gratitude. Over to you, ma'am.
A greatest philosopher, Cicero, once said, "Gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but the parent of all the others." Respected dignitaries on the days, esteemed guests, all the invitees, parents, guardians, alumni, benefactors, well-wishers, teaching and supportive staff. A very good evening to all of you present here. On behalf of the entire school fraternity, I, Mrs. Greta Dias, stand before you to propose the vote of thanks. First and foremost, I thank the Lord Almighty for His protection and for the numerous blessings showered upon all of us throughout this year. We are honored to have with us the president of today's function, Reverend Sister Clara Meneges, whose generosity and thoughtfulness have been a blessing to us all. Thank you, Sister, for being a constant source of inspiration and support in all our endeavors. Thank you, Sister. I wish to express my wholehearted gratitude to the chief guest of the day, Mrs. Divya Satish Shetty, who graced us with her thought-provoking address. Thank you, ma'am, for accepting our invitation and your words of inspiration. The pillar of strength and encouragement to undertake all the challenges is our beloved principal, Sister Shanti Vilma de Almeida. Your unwavering support and visionary leadership are the cornerstones of our school's vibrant spirit and success in both academics and athletics. Thank you, Sister. I am profoundly grateful to our correspondent, Sister Benedicta Fernandez. We acknowledge with gratitude the significant contribution you continue to make to our institution. Thank you, Sister. I express my heartfelt thanks to our Vice Principal, Sister Judith Saldana, for her tireless efforts and enormous support at all times. Thank you, Sister. My sincere thanks to the Superior of Shanti Nilaya Convent, Sister Sandra Rodriguez. We truly appreciate your dedication and commitment. Thank you, Sister. Special thanks to our Vice President, Dr. Mohan Singhe, for his concern and support at all times. Thank you, sir. We express our gratitude to all the PTA members for their active involvement and cooperation. We would like to express our sincere gratitude to our parents, guardians, well-wishers, sponsors for their generous support. It's my honor to express gratitude and recognize the invaluable contribution of our teaching and non-teaching staff who have worked tirelessly to bring this day to realization. We are grateful to Sosa Arrangers, Star Studio, DELSON Media, and AMJ Enterprises for doing an amazing job. We would like to extend our sincere appreciation to the police personnel for ensuring the safety and security of all of us. Last, but certainly not the least, a big thank you to all our enthusiastic students for your active participation. I now request our staff to present the token of gratitude.
ma'am, for your words of gratitude.
All birds find shelter during the rain, but eagle avoids the rain by flying above the clouds. Problems are common, but attitude makes the difference, says APJ Abdul Kalam.
Ceaseless flow of thanks from my heartbeats to all luminaries on the stage. Here we conclude our stage program. We request our dignitaries to vacate the stage for the cultural feast.
We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give, says Winston Churchill.
Well-wisher is not a word, not merely a relationship. It is a silent promise which says, I was, I am, and I will be with you forever. Your good will, appreciation, motivation, support, and positive vibration has a great impact in molding ourselves for the integral dimension of the growth of this great institution.
And now is the time to honor the sponsors for their goodwill for generosity.
I request Sister Preetin to read out names of the sponsors.
Good evening, everyone. We kindly invite the parents of the child to come forward and accept this token of gratitude. MESCOM staff, Deandra Correa 5th A, Samanvi and Ishan 8th A and 5th A, Kushi Pearl and Shinal Vegas 5th B and 1st A, Naisha and Nainika 2nd B, Hitanshi Banjan 3rd B, Pearl and Brian D'Souza 8th B, 3rd A, Amrit and Amit Sikwera 9th B and 3rd B, BK Nahim 5th C, Melrick and Manuel Lewis 9th B and 3rd B, Bradley D'Souza 5th C, Rachel and Rishon 1st D, Ifa Fatima 1st B, Dilina Ruth D'Souza and Delvin 9th A and 1st B, Sandria 2nd A, Princeton D'Souza 2nd A, Yuvraj 5th B, Ava Fatima 1st B, Rion and Rishon D'Souza 10th B and 4th C, Riona and John 3rd A and 2nd D, Princita Vegas 5th B, Hamshika and Janisha 3rd C and 8th A, Mohammad Shahrukh 2nd C, Alvin Prakash Bus Insurance, Symphony Loy Owner, Orient Black Swan Book Publishers. The names of the next parents will be announced shortly. Thank you, dear sister, and all the parents.
I request all the dignitaries to vacate the stage for the cultural feast. Vanessa, report.
What God has given, no one can give. What He has designed, let us kindle. Imagine a year of possibilities, a year of dreams realized, and a year of growth. Our annual day report is a snapshot of that year, and year that has snapped us into who we are today. Let us have the glimpse of school annual report.
Today is a day of celebration and reflection, a moment to honor the milestones we have achieved, the challenges we have overcome, and the unwavering spirit that binds us as a community. A very pleasant evening to one and all. Esteemed chief guest of the evening, president of the day, guest of honor, sisters of Ursuline Franciscan congregation, members of the Parent Teacher Association, invited dignitaries, well-wishers, parents, staff, and my dear students. On this auspicious occasion of Assisi Fiesta 2024, it is both a privilege and a pleasure for Assisi Central School to present its annual report. This report provides glimpses into the various activities, achievements, and progress made by our students, teachers, and the school as a whole. Our vision at Assisi Central School has always been to nurture well-formed individuals who excel not just in academics but also in sports, arts, and social responsibilities. As we reflect on this remarkable year, let us celebrate the collective efforts that have propelled us forward and laid a strong foundation for the future. Let us now take a bird's eye view of the highlights of this academic year. Staff and students, alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much, said Helen Keller. This sentiment perfectly resonates with the spirit of this institution. Our school began its journey in the year 2012, and today Assisi Central School proudly celebrates its 7th annual day. Over the last 13 years, we have grown to include classes from pre-nursery to grade 12, with 1,404 students currently enrolled. We are fortunate to have a team of 85 well-trained, qualified, experienced, and dedicated teaching staff, drivers, attenders, and who are committed to shaping the ever-growing modern generations of learners. To ensure excellence, our teachers regularly engage in professional development programs. In addition to core subject teachers, we have a vibrant team of co-curricular educators specializing in physical education, music, dance, yoga, karate, chess, art and craft. This diversity enables us to nurture the innate talents and interests of our students. Our dedicated non-teaching staff, including librarian, clerical staff, bus drivers and attendants, play a vital role in the school's smooth functioning.
Parent-Teacher Association. Our energetic Parent-Teacher Association comprises 40 dynamic members who contribute significantly to the holistic development of our students and teachers. The PTA actively organize events such as Teachers' Day and training sessions for teachers and students. Currently, Dr. Mohan Singhe serves as the Vice President of the PTA.
Curriculum. Our curriculum, based on the CBSE framework, is thoughtfully designed to balance academic rigor and co-curricular enrichment. Grade 1 to 8 students undergo 4 formative assessments and 2 summative assessments, incorporating portfolios, multiple assessments, and student enrichment activities. Whereas grade 9 to 12, the academic year includes 3 formative assessments, half-yearly exams, pre-boards, practical exams, and annual or board exams.
The evaluation is based on a scholastic and co-scholastic performance, leading to the all-round development of the child. Remedial coaching is undertaken to support students in achieving their full potential.
Academic achievements. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out, says Robert Coiler. We are delighted to say that our students have consistently excelled in academics, bringing laurels to our institute. We deeply appreciate and remain grateful to our visionary management, Principal Sister Shanti Vilma de Almeida, all the dedicating teaching and non teaching staff, supportive parents for their selfless hard work, timely guidance, and unwavering support. Since the first outgoing grade 10th batch in 2018, we have secured 100% results in the CBSE board examinations. In the year 2022-23, Ayushi K topped grade 10th examination with 94.83%. In the year 2023-24, Alvina Jose topped grade 10th examination with 95.83%.
We are happy to announce that our students have achieved academic excellence in the following subjects. Ayushi K secured full marks in information technology. Purvi Shetty has secured full marks in social science. Javisha Fernandez and Purvi Shetty have both achieved perfect scores in Kannada. It's a joy to announce that grade 12th also reflect consistent success by securing 100% results. The first batch of 2022-23, Bhumika Salian topped with 80%. In the academic year 2023-24, Janisha Montero topped with 82.6%. Apart from these, our students have demonstrated extraordinary artistic talents, achieving outstanding results in Karnataka government's drawing grade examination. In the academic year 22-23, 3 students secured distinction, and in the year 23-24, 14 students secured distinction. Tanmay of grade 10th B secured first place and has become the district topper.
Co-curricular activities. Getting vast knowledge is not sufficient for holistic development of students. Beyond academics, co-curricular activities enrich students' lives by fostering talent development, leadership growth, courage, confidence, and creativity. Our school has chosen annual theme as Democracy in the year 2023-24 and Fraternity in the current year 2024-25, fostering a comprehensive understanding and promoting civic awareness, unity, and environmental responsibility.
The students are divided into 4 houses such as red, blue, yellow, and green to promote teamwork and healthy competition. And to get updated with the curricular, the students are distributed in various clubs.
Kannada Club, Hindi Club, Literature Club, Mathematics Club, Social Science Club, Science Club, Sports Club, Eco Club, Art Club, ICT Club, Child Rights Club, Health Club, Integrity Club, Career Club, Library Club.
Apart from this, a special wing of Cubs, Bulbuls, Scouts and Guides cultivate responsible citizenship and leadership qualities within students.
As future leaders and responsible citizens, it is essential for the students to understand the importance of democracy, teamwork, and effective communication. The Parliament is a student-led body that aims to provide a platform for students to express their opinions, discuss important issues, and make informed decisions under the dynamic leadership of school people leader Annaga Guru Prasad Kadri, and Opposition Parliament Leader Samprit Alwa.
Experiential learning. Our school's experiential learning program ignites compassion and social responsibility through interactive experiences, field visits, and community outreach initiatives. By sharing time and resources, students cultivate empathy and kindness. Notably, our students have participated in various charitable endeavors, including visiting Olavinalli Ashram and De Mercy De Ashram in the year 2022-23, donating sanitary items. In the year 2023-24, the school organized a charity day and the students contributed a variety of vegetables on the occasion of St. Francis of Assisi Feast, and the same was given to different ashrams. Grade 11 and 12 students visited Seva Ashram, while grade 9 students celebrated Youth Day at the De-Addiction Center, Bajal, presenting a program.
School picnics. School's experiential learning program combines fun and education through picnics and industrial visits. Students of grades 11 and 12 explored the scenic Madikeri. Meanwhile, grades 3 to 9 had a splashing time at Yuva Meridian Water Park, Kundapur, and grades 1 to 2 discovered the wonders of Pilikula Nisargadama. Additionally, the students gained practical insights through industrial visits to KMF Milk Dairy in Kulshekar, a plastic industry in Baikampadi, and Father Muller's Homeopathic Medicine Center in Deralakatte, exposing them to dairy management, manufacturing processes, and healthcare. These experiences foster teamwork, curiosity, and real-world understanding, shaping ourselves into compassionate and informed individuals.
Observance of the days. The school tried to inculcate love for Mother Earth, and as proud Indian citizens, we honor our nation's spirit by celebrating national festivals, fostering patriotism and unity. Environment Day, Yoga Day, Doctors Day, Vanamahotsava, Junk Food Day, Friendship Day, Independence Day, Onam Celebration, Teachers Day, Literacy Day, Fraternity Day, Hindi Divas, Gandhi Jayanti, Fruit Day, Traditional Day, Deepavali, Kannada Rajyotsava, Children's Day, National Education Day, Constitution Day, National Farmers Day.
Various competitions. Believe in yourself, put in the efforts, and success will follow. Khadija Maimuna of grade 4th B has secured multiple awards in chess tournament. Second place in Sri Siddhi Vinayaka Trophy Inter-District Chess Tournament. First place in 9th and 10th RCC Cup Mangaluru. First place in Independence Cup 2024. Second place in DKCA All India Open FIDE Rapid Rated Chess Tournament 2024. Third place in Uber Chess Trophy Inter-District Rapid Chess Tournament. Best Girl Under 10 Trophy, and 7th place in 24th Sri Narayan Guru Trophy. Hearty congratulations to you, dear Khadija Maimuna, and we are proud of you.
We are also proud to say that our students have participated in Uber Chess Academy Inter-District Rapid Chess Tournament conducted at Puttur. Guides bagged first place, Cubs bagged second place, and Scouts bagged third place in patriotic singing competition held at Syed Madani School, Permannuru. Our school bagged inter-school overall championship awards in karate for 2 consecutive years, 2023 and 2024 conducted by Western Institute of Martial Arts, Mangaluru.
Sports and achievements. The students develop the spirit of sportsmanship and equip leadership quality by participating in sports. The sports meet will be held every year to bring out the hidden potentials of our students. The annual Sports Day of 2022-23 was performed with the display events. This year, the sports meet was held on 28th and 29th November 2024. In Kabaddi, girls won second place, held at Prestige International School. The students have taken part and given their best in CBSE and ICSE district and zonal level sports in the past years.
Adolescent Empowerment Program and Ursuline Franciscan Blooms. Our school introduced the Adolescent Empowerment Program in the year 2021-2022, engaging teachers, students and parents. 16 adolescent transformation groups and 10 adolescent support groups were formed to conduct regular monthly meetings for parents and students. The meetings for parents are conducted every second Saturday and first Saturday for students. The program has yielded positive outcomes with participants appreciating the transformational impact and feedback mechanisms. UFB. The UFB students are actively immersed in different activities of the year. The meetings are held every month with the various talks from the resource persons. The UFB convention held every year and the school organizes various competitions at the zonal level. We are happy to announce that our students have bagged the convention championship trophies for the last 2 consecutive years.
Teacher training programs. Our school prioritizes teachers' development, hosting annual CBSE training programs for our staff and educators from other institutions. Renowned resource persons selected by the CBSE board share their expertise. Our teachers also participate in district level enrichment programs and workshops, ensuring that they stay updated on best practices.
Infrastructure. To accommodate our growing student body, we embarked on an ambitious expansion project, culminating in the inauguration of a new block on 16 September 2024. This state-of-the-art facility boasts a music room, sports room, computer lab, and 18 spacious classrooms, providing an ideal learning environment for our students.
Our future needs. To further enhance our educational infrastructure, we aim to equip our new classrooms with cutting-edge technology, including smart boards, integrated teaching software, and audio systems. Additionally, our immediate priorities include the development of an indoor stadium and a canteen. We also plan to renovate our playground, ensuring a safe and level surface for our students. To achieve these goals, we invite generous individuals and organizations to support our institution through financial donations.
Conclusion. As we reflect on the past years, we take pride in the remarkable growth, achievements, and resilience demonstrated by our school community. Through the collective efforts of our management, teachers, students, and parents, we have upheld our commitment to academic excellence while fostering a nurturing environment that promotes creativity, collaboration, and holistic development. We extend our sincere gratitude to all stakeholders for their unwavering support and encouragement, which have been instrumental in our progress. As we move forward, we remain dedicated to striving for excellence in all aspects of our institution. We entrust our school to the divine guidance of St. Francis of Assisi, our patron saint, and seek his blessings for our future endeavors. May Assisi School's flame of knowledge continue to burn bright, guiding students toward a brighter tomorrow.
Dear friends, here we begin the cultural program. Note to the parents, unless we announce to take your votes, kindly don't go near the exit room.
The curtains are rising and the music is pulsating. Laughter is the best medicine, and we, the students of second day, are prescribing healthy doses of with our hilarious dance routine.
The stage is set, the music is ready with our silly moves.
What a thrilling performance. Thank you, dear sister Renita Rodriguez, and my dear students, for your efforts.
Hello.
Fifth ABC prayer dance students are ready in the exit room. Fifth ABC prayer dance children are ready in the exit room.
तुमका समेस्तांग देव बरी सांज मागता.
हांव लिशेल,
हांव अश्वन,
दर्या कुशीन मसली दन जिवनचे लोक, सर्वाय संगत मेळून मोगान जिवनचे लोक.
नाचून केलून तांचो सुशोभीत संस्कृती विस्तारलो लोक जावन आसा कोंकणी लोक.
आता तुमच्या मुखार चौथे विभाग ए क्लासीची भुरगीं एक सुबेद नाचपा मुखांतर सादर करतात कोंकणी नाच.
Now here my 4th friends exhibit their talents through a performance of Goan Carnival Konkani dance.
Let's wait and watch.
Thank you, ma'am Dimple and the students of grade 4th A for your beautiful and entertaining performance.
ಕುಚ್ 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 ಆ ಒಂದು ಆ ಎರಡು ಆ ಮೂರು ಆ ಡಿಂಗ ಆ ಲೇಡೀಸು ಆ ಜೆಂಟ್ಲ್ಮೆನ್ ಆ ಬ್ರದರ್ಸು ಆ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಸಿಸಿ ಹೈಕ್ಳು ಪ್ರೌಡ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ಡ್ಯಾಡ್ ಶೋ ಕುಚ್ 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 ಆ ಉಫ್ಫಾ ಆ ಉಫ್ಫಾ ಆ ಉಫ್ಫಾ ಆ ಡಿಶಮ್ ಆ ಡಿಶಮ್ ಡಿಶಮ್ ಪ್ರತಿ ಫಿಲಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ ನೀನು ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನೀ ಹೀರೋನಾ ನೀ ವಿಲನಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀ ಯಾರು ಅಯ್ಯ ಮುಖೇಶ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಮುಖೇಶ್ ಹೊಗೆ ಸೇದ್ಬೇಡಿ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೊಗೆ ಹಾಕಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ ಸಾವು ಖಚಿತ ಮರಣ ಉಚಿತ ಧೂಮಪಾನ ಸೇವನೆಯಿಂದ 2023ರಲ್ಲಿ 5.5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಜನರು ಮರಣ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಧೂಮಪಾನದಿಂದ ದೂರವಿರಿ. ಕುಚ್ 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 ಕುಚ್.
ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪೇ ಅಟೆನ್ಷನ್. 5th ABC ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ರೂಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗುವನ್ನು ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಹೋಗಿ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Now I request Sister Benedicta Fernandez, our correspondent, to come forward and honor the donors. We kindly invite the parents of the child to come forward and accept this token of love. Rochelle D'Souza, 3rd C, Rion D'Souza, 5th A, Esther Montero, 5th A, 5th B, Neil Obed Pinto, 5th A, Anika and Aryan, 7th B and 2nd D, Adlisha Montero, 5th B, Princeton D'Souza, 3rd C, Anora, 4th B, Sherwin Ethan, 1st C, Laksh D, 1st D, Martin D'Souza, 1st B, Rubina Montero, 3rd C, Aisha Alifa and Hannah Alina, 3rd C, Ashel, 1st D, Ishani, 1st C, Benin AV, 1st A, Priola and Viola, 2nd D, Oral D'Souza, 2nd B, Albert, 4th B, Sean Pius, 4th A, Lishal D'Souza, 4th A, Fatima Aniha, 1st B, Abubakar Shayan, 5th C, Mayur and Aradhya, 7th C and 3rd A, Rian and Rion, 10th A and 4th A, Samanyu and Sanisha, 7th C and 2nd D, Alvina, Anisha, Avina, 1st D, 9th B and 6th A. The names of the next parents will be announced shortly. Thank you, dear sisters and the parents.
Music moves us, but dancing is a great way to reduce stress.
Dancing is a total expression of body, mind and spirit.
Music moves us, but dance is where we can fully express ourselves.
Here are my friends of class first day performing a property dance. Let's enjoy it.
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui taqui, taqui taqui rumba. Báilame como si fuera la última vez. besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui, 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 rumba. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. High music, high flows.
He say he wanna touch it and tease it and squeeze it. Well, my piggyback is hungry, my nigga, you need to feed it. If the text ain't freaky, I don't wanna read it. And just to let you know, this Punani is undefeated. Ay, he said he really wanna see me more. I said we should have a date where at the Lamborghini store. I'm kinda scary, hard to read, I'm like a Ouija board, but I'm a boss bitch. Who you gonna leave me for? You got no class, you bitches is broke still. I be talking cash shit when I'm popping my gold grill. I'm a whole rich bitch and I work like I'm broke still. The love be so fake, but the hate be so real. El booty sobresale de mi traje, no traje panticito pa' que el nene no trabaje. Es que yo me sé lo que tú crees que tú no sabes. Dice que no quiere, pero se quiere comerle el equipaje.
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui, 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 rumba. Whoa, oh, oh, oh.
DJ Snake. Careful when you come through my way. My body already know how to play. But work it, keep it tight every day. And I know you need a taste. Now, ooh, I'm falling in love. Give a little ooh, get it well done. Dancing on my ooh, make a girl wanna run. We keep moving till the sun come up. Porque I am the party. It's a fiesta. Blow out your candles and have a siesta. We can try, but don't know what can stop me. What my talkie wants, get my talkie gets on.
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé.
It was beautifully presented. Thank you, ma'am, Anita, and students of grade first A.
Education and sports are both important in life.
Because they can help to develop a variety of skill and improve our physical and mental health.
Here my friends of class first be their energetic dance. Let's welcome them.
मलदे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई। अरे मलदे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई।
खोले किताबें करे हम पढ़ाई, पानीपत में हुई थी लड़ाई।
सुनो सुनो दिल की सुनो, डरो नहीं शेर बनो, डरोगे तो ठेंगा मिलेगा।
पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नाकाम, जब तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब।
पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो होगे खराब, जब तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे नवाब।
बदमाशियों से जरा बाज आओ, थोड़ा किताबों से भी दिल लगाओ। अरे बदमाशियों से जरा बाज आओ, थोड़ा किताबों से भी दिल लगाओ।
विद्या कसम हम पढ़ेंगे दबा के, मगर तुम भी देखो किताबों से आगे। बढ़ो जरा आगे बढ़ो, लिखा नहीं जो वो पढ़ो, डरोगे तो ठेंगा मिलेगा।
पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नाकाम, जब तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब।
पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो होगे खराब, जब तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे नवाब।
मंडे को टीचर का डंडा पड़ेगा। ऐसे हवा में जो उड़ता फिरेगा, मंडे को टीचर का डंडा पड़ेगा।
क्रिकेट का मैं करूँगा बहाना, कैंसल है मंडे को स्कूल जाना। जिद मेंटेन करो, चढ़ो माउंटेन चढ़ो, डरोगे तो ठेंगा मिलेगा।
पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, जब तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब।
पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो होगे खराब, जब तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे नवाब।
It was wonderful. Give a huge round of applause to Ma'am Rakshita and students of grade first B.
Get ready to feel the party vibes with Mera Wala Dance, and it's the time to disco with its peppy beats and cheerful energy. We bring the disco fever to the stage and spread the joy of dance.
It's amazing to see huge potentials. Thank you, ma'am Greta Dice and the students of grade 2nd C.
Hello everyone. Now it's time to experience the vibrant culture of Punjab. Yes, we are super excited to perform a highly energetic Punjabi dance with our friends. Please put your hands together for our talented friends from grade 2nd D to perform energetic dance. Balle balle.
ਭਾਵੇਂ ਸਾਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ 'ਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ ਹੁਸਨ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਕਰਾ ਕੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਸਾਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ 'ਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ ਹੁਸਨ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਕਰਾ ਕੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਜੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਝੂਠ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਅਰਸ਼ਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਪਰੀਆਂ ਬੁਲਾ ਕੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ ਰਾਵਾ ਸੱਚ ਰੱਬ ਦੇ ਦੁਆਰਾਂ ਵਰਗਾ ਰੂਪ ਕਿਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਮੁਟਿਆਰਾਂ ਵਰਗਾ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਸਾਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ 'ਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ ਹੁਸਨ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਕਰਾ ਕੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਸਾਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ 'ਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ
Wow, it was an energetic dance. Thank you, ma'am Mahima and the students of grade 2nd D for your hard efforts.
Parents of first A and first B are requested to collect your awards from the exit room. Parents of first A and first B.
ಕುಚ್ 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 ಮಹನೀಯರೇ ಮತ್ತು ಮಹಿಳೆಯರೇ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಸಿಸಿ ಹುಡುಗರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ತರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಉಳ್ಳಾಲ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ನ ಪಕ್ಕಾ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಗಳು. ಓ ಎಂಜಾಯ್. ಕುಚ್ 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 ಕುಚ್. ಒನ್ ಡೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಯಶಸ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್. ಹಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್. ಹೇ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮೀ ಯಾರ್. ನಾ ಫುಲ್ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಗುರು. ಹೇ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮೀ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ಓ ನೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ಹೇ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮೀ ದೋಸ್ತ್. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ತ್. ಅನಾಥ ಮಗುವಾದೆ ನಾನು, ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡೋರೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ದಿಕ್ಕುನು ತೋಸ್ತನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾ ಐಡಿಯಾ. ಹೆಲೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನಾನು ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಬೇಕಾ? ಬನ್ನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ತಿನ್ನಿ ತಿನ್ನಿ. ಓಡೋಡೋಡೋಡೋಡೋಡೋಡೋಲೆ ಓಡೋಲೆ ಓಡೋಲೆ. ದೋಸ್ತ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನನಗೆ ಡಯಾಬಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಟೇಕ್ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮೈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಝೂಮ್ ಝೂಮ್ ಝೂಮ್. ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ. ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಅಚ್ಚುಮೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್, ರಾಮಪ್ಪಣ್ಣನ ಜೇನುಂಡೆ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್. ಕುಚ್ 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 ಕುಚ್.
I request our principal, dear Sister Shanti Vilma Almeida, to come forward and honor the donors. We kindly invite the parents of the child to come forward and accept the token of love. Alric 2nd A, Ashlyn 1st D, Dhriti and Shishir 3rd and 9, Saksh Shetty 1st B, Shriyan 3rd A, Raden 1st C, Vivan 1st C, Liana 1st C, Dhyan MV 1st B, Manan K 3rd C, Syed Idris 1st B, Imran Nafiza 1st B, Sanidhya Shetty 1st B, Rinol 1st D, Vidipt 4th C, Apti 4th C, Sejal D'Souza 1st C, Priyanshi 1st B, Cleona Shine 3rd B, Brahmagatti 2nd D, Nihan D Kotian 4th A, Adya Rai 4th A, Katija Nida 4th A, Johan George 5th A, ND Dishanna Chappa 5th A, Princeton Joseph Fernandez 1st D, Gloria D'Souza 1st B, Rishon Montero 3rd A, Kashika Fatima 4th C, Mohammad Ryan K 2nd D, Evil Joanna 1st D, Drishika 1st D, Charit Raj 5th B. Dear parents, kindly come forward and receive this token. The names of the next parents will be announced shortly.
Parents, kindly note, students of Welcome Dance 3rd B are ready in the exit room. Exit room is towards the left side of the entry of the school ground. Parents, kindly note, Welcome Dance students of 3rd B are ready in the exit room. Collect your awards from there, and the exit room is towards the left side of the entry of the school ground.
Thank you, dear sister, and to all the parents.
Intimate is a form of activity that holds the attention and interest of an audience or gives pleasure and delight.
Here are my friends of first C to rock the stage with a beautiful dance. Let's sit back and enjoy.
छम 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 मैं नाचूं आज छम 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 छम
Raindrop bouncing, my heart is announcing you got to take me away. Let's start jumping, my heart goes pumping. I love you in every way. धड़कनों पे बूंद जो गिरी
तो नाचूं आज छम 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 मैं नाचूं आज छम 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 छम
तेरी मैं जागा रातन रोक न पावा अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातन नू सारे गिन गिन याद च तेरी मैं जागा रातन नू रोक न पावा अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातन नू ओ ओ ओ इश्क तेरा तड़पावे
जैसे धूल उड़ा के सींग उठा के तुम भी नाचो बाजी जम के ताल ढोल बेटा राजू उड़ के नाचो
हीरो से भी तेज कोई कर सके जो बेद नाचो
अस्तबल में घोड़े जैसे पाक टोर छोड़ नाचो मिट्टी जो तो रोट मोटा मिर्च खा के ऐसे नाचो हाँ जा छोरे
हाँ जा गोरे
हाँ जा छोरे नाचो 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 वीर नाचो 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 यार नाचो 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 कच्ची कैरी जैसा खट्टा नाचो 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 पिच्चू काटा लागे ऐसा नाचो देखो धंधना के रोगी नाचे शोर सुन लो है धमाका जैसे शेर हाथी नाचे देखो दिल का ये मेला यार अपने साथ नाचो एड़ियों के जोरों पे तुम धड़ाका देसी नाचो पसीना माथे का चमके दमके ऐसे नाचो हाँ जा छोरे हाँ जा गोरे हाँ जा छोरे नाचो 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 वीर नाचो 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 यार नाचो 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 आगो वाला नाचो 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 उसने चक्का लागे चीजा नाचो
Thank you, ma'am Dikshita and students of grade 1st C for beautiful and entertaining performance.
Modern Savitri Swayamvara, directed by our Kanasgara Manjana. ಆಹನನ್ನ ಮದುವೆಯಂತೆ ಓಹೋ ನನ್ನ ಮದುವೆಯಂತೆ ಆಹ ನನ್ನ ಮದುವೆಯಂತೆ ಓಹೋ ನನ್ನ ಮದುವೆಯಂತೆ ಆ ಚಿಚಿ ಚಿಚಿ ಚಿ ಆ ಚಿಚಿ ಚಿಚಿ ಚಿ ಆ ಚಿಚಿ ಚಿಚಿ ಚಿ ಹೇ ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ ಡ್ಯಾಡಿ ಡ್ಯಾಡಿನಾ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಗುಡ್ಡ ಕಾಡನ್ನು ನೈಸ್ ರೋಡ್ ಅಂತೆ ಮಾಡುವ ಟ್ರಿಮ್ಮರ್ ಪೈಲಪ್ಪ ಟ್ರಿಮ್ಮರ್ ಅಮರ್ ಅಕ್ಬರ್ ಅಸ್ಕರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಟ್ರಿಮ್ಮರ್ ಪೈಲಪ್ಪ ಟ್ರಿಮ್ಮರ್ ಕುಚ್ 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 ಕುಚ್
ಪೋಷಕರ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ಯಾರು ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ರೂಮ್ ಬಳಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೋ ನಿಯರ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ರೂಮ್ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್.
Now I request Sister Sandra Rodriguez, the superior of Shanti Nilaya Convent, to come forward and honor the donors. We kindly invite the parents to come forward and accept the token of love. Mariam Fatima first A, Jashid first D, Aram Basir first A, Dhruti M first A, Marish first D, Shreyans fourth B, Noel D'Souza third B, Israr first B, Izan Ismail fourth B, Halima Hanna third C, Bhavish first C, Ayat Fatima first A, Adya M second A, Mohammad Shazia second A, Avani M second A, Syed Mirsha second A, Bhavishya fourth A, Mohammad Rishan fourth A, Bihan fourth A, Aram Abdul sixth A, Joshna and Jewel sixth C and fourth A, Mahin fourth A, Ahil Mas fourth A, Aryadish second B, Rishal Kutina fourth A, Halima Trifa second C, Nala Fatima third A, Sion Montero fourth B, Snitik Puchari fourth B. Dear parents, kindly come fast and receive this token of love.
Parents kindly note, second C children are ready. You can go and collect from the exit room. Second C students are ready. Please go and collect your children.
Thank you, dear Sister Sandra, and to all the parents.
Good evening, everyone. Dance is a form of an art that involves rhythmic movements of the body, often to music.
Dance is a way to celebrate joy and express feelings.
Here our friends of class first D will perform Dandiya dance.
Seiya, seiya, vehayo maru seiya. Seiya, seiya, vehayo maru seiya. Seiya, seiya, vehayo maru seiya. Seiya, seiya, vehayo maru seiya.
लाग्यो ल्या गरबा केसरियो रंग तने लाग्यो रे लो केसरियो रंग तने लाग्यो ल्या गरबा केसरियो रंग तने लाग्यो रे लो जीनी जीनी जाइयो मिलावी ल्या गरबा केसरियो रंग तने लाग्यो रे लो
Wonderful performance. Give a huge round of applause to Ma'am Saumeshri and the students of grade first D.
Parents of first C can take your awards from the exit room. Parents of first C.
Rangilo maro dolna, dolna. It is a traditional Rajasthani folk dance which is an important part of Rajasthani culture. Please put your hands together to our talented students from class 2nd B. They come to mesmerize you with their energetic Rajasthani performance.
रंगीला
what a thrilling performance. Thank you, Ma'am Akshita and your students for your efforts.
Parents of first D can take your children from the exit room. Parents of first D can take your children from the exit room.
ಪೋಷಕರ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ರೂಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ರೂಮ್ನ ಬಳಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗುವನ್ನು ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Dance is the way to express your emotions and feelings without having to speak anything. Presenting before you an outstanding performance, I invite my friends from special course to the stage. Please enjoy this vibrant performance that is a wonderful blend of grace and energy.
29th August 1958, a legend was born, later known as the King of Pop, Michael Jackson.
But I like rock and roll.
मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी. मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी. मेरा जूता है जापानी.
Get the point? Good. Let's dance.
One, two, three, four.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले, हाय कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले, अब कुछ करिए. हो कोई तो चल सिद्ध पड़िए, तू बेकरिए या मरिए, हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध पड़िए, तू बेकरिए या मरिए. चकरे हो सकते इंडिया, चकरे हो सकते इंडिया, चकरे हो सकते इंडिया, चकरे हो सकते इंडिया.
This is what you have been waiting for.
1 2 3 ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾವುಟದ ಬಣ್ಣಶ್ರೀ. 1 2 3 ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದ ಧರ್ಮಶ್ರೀ. We are the children, we are the nation, we are the children, we are the nation. ಜಾತಿ ನೂರು ನೀತಿ ಒಂದೇ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ.
Get ready for the next battle.
देखी है सारी दुनिया, जापान से लेके रशिया, ऑस्ट्रेलिया से लेके अमेरिका. देखी है सारी दुनिया, जापान से लेके
Wow, it was an energetic dance. Thank you, Mr. Danraj, for your beautiful choreography.
Parents of 4th A can take your children from the exit room. Parents of 4th A can take your children from the exit room.
4ನೇ ಎ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ರೂಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ರೂಮ್ನ ಬಳಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗುವನ್ನು ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ.
मेरा नाम है वेरोनिका क्लारा। नमस्ते सभी मेहमान और दोस्तों को। आज की शाम है एक खास शाम जहां हमें मिलेंगे नाच गाना और धमाका। तो तैयार हो जाइए एक ऐसे डांस परफॉर्मेंस के लिए। तो दोस्तों ज़रा ज़ोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए क्लास 3rd A के बच्चे जो लेकर आ रहे हैं एक धमाकेदार परफॉर्मेंस।
शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी दिल पर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे हैं आज ज़मीं पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं अगलो होश नमी दानम हम है दिल है मर जानम बस दीवानगी 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 है ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर बस दीवानगी 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 है All the hot girls put your hands up and say Om Shanti All the cool boys come on make some noise and say Om Shanti
It was beautifully presented. Thank you, ma'am Kanchana and students of 3rd A.
Hello friends, today we have an incredible story to share with you, one that will inspire and motivate you. It's about a young woman who dared to dream big despite the odds being against her. She is a true champion of courage and determination. Now here my 50 friends exhibit their talent through skit.
Have you seen this? Our Indian army has conducted a successful surgical strike.
Oh, really? That's great. Here is a letter.
Asma? Asma! Where are you? Come here quickly.
What's the matter? Why are you so upset?
Wait, you will be upset too. Let her come. Asma!
Yes, Dad. What's the matter?
What is it? You had applied to join defense?
What? How could you even think about it?
She had appeared for the exam and this is her appointment letter.
Asma, is it true? You had gone so far without informing us.
Mom, Dad, I knew you won't permit me to pursue my dreams. I had always wanted to serve my country.
There are many other ways to serve your country. Go for IAS, IPS and serve your country.
But Dad, I want to become a frontline warrior. I'm passionate about the zeal, attitude, uniform and the valor.
Asma, please understand, you are all we have. How can we consent to send you to face death every day?
If I were a boy, would you say the same? You would be proud of me, right? It's just because I'm a girl, you're not ready to send me.
Yes, you are right. Defense is not for girls and I will never send you. We are looking for a groom and you will get married as soon as possible. And you will get married as soon as possible.
Asma? Asma? Where are you? Asma? Oh my god, what is this?
Dear Mom and Dad, please forgive me for disappointing you. You left me with no choice. I had to leave. I want to be in the Indian Army. It's my only dream since childhood. I wish you could feel proud of me. I will miss you a lot. Bless me so that I can become a brave soldier, not less than any boy. With love, your disobedient daughter, Asma.
Asma!
What is it? Why are you crying?
See this. Our Asma has left. She is gone. Our daughter is gone. Please bring her back.
No, I won't. She has left the house without our consent. She has to come back on her own. You don't worry. Do you think military training is easy? She will come back soon. Let her face the reality. She will be back.
Boys and girls, welcome to the Indian Army. Thank you, sir. Tomorrow onwards, intense training will start. You will get your agenda by tonight. Remember, there is no mercy for anyone during training.
Boys, sir.
Louder!
Boys, sir.
Stand at ease.
Sir, this is Asma Malik. I'm also part of this camp.
Oh, really? But you are late.
I'm sorry, sir. I have come a long way.
Show me your appointment letter. Is this a joke? And you are expecting to join the army with this seriousness?
Please, sir, allow me to join the camp. I have left everything behind only to join the camp. My father didn't consent to let me come here. I have left my home. Please give me a chance. I will not disappoint you.
Okay, I will see you for a month. If you can prove yourself, you will be a part of this camp.
Thank you, sir.
Group, I will see you all tomorrow. Be ready for the training. Dismiss now.
Copy, sir.
इन गर्दिशों के बादलों पे चढ़ के वक्त का गिरेबा पकड़ के पूछना है जीत का पता, जीत का पता।
इन मुट्ठियों में चांद तारे भर के आसमां की हद से गुजर के हो जा तू भीड़ से जुदा, भीड़ से जुदा, भीड़ से जुदा। कहने को चल रहा है तू, लोहे का चल रहा है तू, टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो।
कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदेया, हर मैदान फतेह।
कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, बंदिया हर मैदान फतेह। कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, बंदिया हर मैदान फतेह।
Come, come, this way. Stand here.
But where is our daughter? Can you see her?
No.
Excuse me, are you Azma's parents?
Yes, sir.
Major KP Singh, Commander-in-Chief. I am Azma's mentor.
Oh, hello, sir. Where is our daughter? Is she okay?
She is perfectly alright. She has successfully completed her training. She is the best of the troop. There she is, Wing Commander, Azma Malik. You know what? We always think big for our sons, and the dreams of our daughters are often torn off. Like this. Our daughters also need encouragement, but we fail to believe in their dreams.
Yes, sir. You are right. I was wrong. And today I can say without any doubt, I am proud of her.
We are proud of her.
Today, we stand before you to pay tribute to the brave men and women who have dedicated their lives to protect our nation. Our Indian soldiers are the epitome of courage, sacrifice, and patriotism. So, let us take a moment to salute our Indian soldiers. Let us honor their sacrifices, their bravery, and their selflessness. Let us remember the families who have lost their loved ones, and let us offer them our support and our condolences. Jai Hind.
Awesome energy. It was beautifully performed act. Thank you, ma'am Melisha and the students of 5th C for your heart-touching message.
Parents of 4th A can take your words from the exit room. Parents of 4th A can take your words from the exit room.
4ನೇ ಎ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ರೂಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ರೂಮ್ನ ಬಳಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗುವನ್ನು ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ವಿಹಾನ್ ಆಫ್ UKG is in exit room. Parents of Vihan, please go and collect him. Vihan of UKG.
From Telangana to Andhra Pradesh, the diverse dance traditions unite. From coconut groves to temple grounds, the Kerala's dance heritage shines. So put your hands together and welcome my friends to present Kerala's heritage with Lombardy's energetic beats.
Beautiful performance by the students of 3rd B. Let us give a huge round of applause to Ma'am Shraddha and students of
Do you know what is dramatic march dance? But my friend maybe no. Shall we welcome them? Let's welcome friends of class 3rd section C to rock the stage.
been married long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? But I've been to Cotton Eye Joe. I've been married long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Wow, it was an excellent dance. Thank you, Sister Dottie and the students of grade 3rd C for your hard efforts.
Parents of Yashwit and Sherwin of 4th C kindly meet Dimple ma'am at the exit room. Parents of Yashwit and Sherwin of 4th C kindly meet Dimple ma'am at exit room. Parents of 5th C can collect your students from the exit room. Parents of 5th C can collect your children from the exit room.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಬದುಕು ಒಂದು ಜಟಕಾ ಬಂಡಿ, ಸೋಲು ಗೆಲುವು ಕವಲೂ ದಾರಿಗಳು. ಸೋತೆನೆಂದು ಕುಗ್ಗದೆ, ಗೆದ್ದೆನೆಂದು ಹಿಗ್ಗದೆ, ಬದುಕನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಪಿಕೊಂಡು ಮುನ್ನುಗ್ಗುವುದೇ ಈ ಜಗದ ನಿಯಮ. ಇದೀಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಬದುಕಿನ ಸವಾಲನ್ನು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿ ಛಲದೊಂದಿಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ವಿಭಿನ್ನ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ನೀಡಲು ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ 4ನೇ ಸಿ ತರಗತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ತಂಡ.
1, 2, 3, 4.
ಅರಳುವ ಹೂವುಗಳೇ ಆಲಿಸಿರಿ, ಬಾಳೊಂದು ಹೋರಾಟ ಮರೆಯದಿರಿ. ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಕಿರಣಗಳೇ ಬಣ್ಣಿಸಿರಿ, ಇರುಳಿಂದಿ ಬೆಳಕುಂಟು ತೋರಿಸಿರಿ. ನಾಳೆಯ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇರಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಳಲಿ,
ಲಕ್ಷ್ ಸಮರ. ಇದು ಸಹ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳ ರಚನೆ.
Excellent and meaningful performance. Thank you, ma'am, Vidyash and the students of grade 4th C.
Parents of Yashwit and Sherwin of 4th A are requested to meet Dimple ma'am at the exit room. Parents of class 2nd D and 3rd C can take your awards from the exit room. Parents of 2nd D and 3rd C can take your awards from the exit room.
ಎರಡನೇ ಡಿ ತರಗತಿಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಮೂರನೇ ಸಿ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ರೂಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ರೂಮ್ನ ಬಳಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗುವನ್ನು ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Dance is like life. It exists through the fleeting moments. When it's over, it's done. When we see a vibrant and an energetic performance which will take you to the journey to the hearts of India's rich heritage. So put your hands together for our talented friends as they perform a mesmerizing dance performance.
పాడి
ನಡಿಗೆ ನಡಿಯೋಳೆ ಕಲ್ಲೆಯ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕಲ್ಲೆಂದು ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ತಂದೈತೆ ಅನುರಾಗ
Great energy and powerful performance by the students of 5th B. Thank you, ma'am Namita, for your efforts.
Macha cutting Dankanaka pan masala, spitting roads, suddenly, our representative enter, Junka laka laka laka, damar, yeno nindo, beeri rastenella pollute madbedu, take this, damar, Suvarnaka pan masala. ಏನಿದು ಸುವರ್ಣಕ್ಕ ಪಾನ್ ಮಸಾಲ ಆತು ಕೋಕೋನಟ್ ಟ್ರೀ ಆತು ಬನಾನಾ ಟ್ರೀ ಆತು ನುಗ್ಗೆಕಾಯಿ ಟ್ರೀ ಆಲ್ ಅಕ್ಕ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಣ್ಣ ಸುವರ್ಣಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಪಾನ್ ಮಸಾಲ ವೇರೆವರ್ ಯು ಥ್ರೋ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೀ ವಿಲ್ ಗ್ರೋ ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಾಯ್ರಿ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಮರ ಬೆಳೆಸಿ ಸಾಯ್ರಿ ಕುಚ್ 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 ಕುಚ್
ಪೋಷಕರ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ 2ನೇ ಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ 3ನೇ ಸಿ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ರೂಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ರೂಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜಿನ ಬಲಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದುಗಡೆ ಇದೆ. ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗುವನ್ನು ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ತಿಂಗಳು ಬಂತೆಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಂತಸ, ಸಂಭ್ರಮ, ಸಡಗರ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ, ಗೋಧಲಿ, ಕೇಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಂತಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್.
ಆದರೆ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ನ ನಿಜವಾದ ಅರ್ಥವೇನು, ಅದರ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತತೆ ಏನು ಎಂಬುದು ಜ್ವಲಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. 4ನೇ ಬಿ ತರಗತಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಹಸನದ ಮೂಲಕ ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ ಉತ್ತರಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಇದೇನು ಎಂತಹ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಬೆಳಕು! ಯಾರಿವರು? ರೆಕ್ಕೆಯುಳ್ಳ ಮನುಷ್ಯ?
ಮರಿಯಾ, ನಾನು ಗಬ್ರಿಯಲ್ ದೇವದೂತ. ಇಗೋ ನಿನಗೆ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ದೈವಾನುಗ್ರಹ ಭರಿತಳಾದ ನೀನು ಧನ್ಯೆ.
ದೇವದೂತನೇ, ಇದೇನು? ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಗೌರವ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರಶಂಸಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ.
ಅಂಜಬೇಡ ಮರಿಯ, ಇಗೋ ದೇವಪುತ್ರನ ತಾಯಿಯಾಗಲು ದೇವರು ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇವರ ಪವಿತ್ರಾತ್ಮರ ಕೃಪೆಯಿಂದ ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪವಾಡ ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ. ನೀನು ಗರ್ಭವತಿಯಾಗಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಗನನ್ನು ಹೆರುವೆ. ಆತನಿಗೆ ನೀನು ಯೇಸು ಎಂದು ಹೆಸರಿಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ಕಂದ ದೇವರ ಪುತ್ರನು. ಭೂಲೋಕ ಹಾಗೂ ಪರಲೋಕಗಳ ರಾಜನು ಆತನೇ. ಆತನ ರಾಜ್ಯಭಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ್ಯವೇ ಇರದು.
ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ? ನನ್ನ ನಿಶ್ಚಿತಾರ್ಥವಾಗಿದೆಯಷ್ಟೇ. ನಾನಿನ್ನೂ ವೈವಾಹಿಕ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಆರಂಭಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. ಜನರು ನನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನೆನ್ನುವರು?
ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಅಸಾಧ್ಯವಾದುದು ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪವಿತ್ರಾತ್ಮರ ದಿವ್ಯ ಶಕ್ತಿಯು ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಆವರಿಸುವುದು. ನೀನು ಹೆರುವ ಆ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಶಿಶು ದೇವರ ಪುತ್ರ ಎನಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವನು.
ಗರ್ಭಿಣಿ ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿದ ಜೋಸೆಫನು ಅವಳನ್ನು ಗುಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ದೂರ ಮಾಡಲು ಆಲೋಚಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವಾಗ
ಜೋಸೆಫ್, ಜೋಸೆಫ್,
ಯಾರಿದು? ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪ್ರಕಾಶ! ಏನಿದು ಪವಾಡ?
ಜೋಸೆಫನೇ, ಹೆದರಬೇಡ. ನಾನು ದೇವದೂತ. ನೀನು ಮರಿಯಳನ್ನು ನಿನ್ನ ಪತ್ನಿಯಾಗಿ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಲು ಹಿಂಜರಿಯಬೇಡ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅವಳು ದೇವರ ಇಚ್ಛೆಯಂತೆ ಪವಿತ್ರಾತ್ಮರಿಂದ ಗರ್ಭವತಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅವಳ ಉದರದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸುವ ಕಂದನು ದೇವರ ಪುತ್ರ, ಇಮ್ಮಾನುವೆಲ್, ದೇವರು ನಮ್ಮೊಡನೆ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯಲ್ಪಡುವನು.
ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ? ಆದರೂ ನಾನು ದೇವರ ಇಚ್ಛೆಯ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಹೋಗಲಾರೆ. ಆಯ್ತು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಆಗಲಿ.
ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಮರಿಯಳು ನಜರೇತಿನಿಂದ ರೋಮಿ ರಾಜರ ಅಪ್ಪಣೆಯಂತೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ನೋಂದಾಯಿಸಲು ಬೆತ್ಲೆಹೇಮಿಗೆ ಹೊರಟು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ ಮರಿಯಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಸವದ ಸಮಯ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಬರುವುದು.
ಯಾರದು ಈ ನಡುರಾತ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು?
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ನನ್ನ ಪತ್ನಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಸವದ ಸಮಯ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಈ ರಾತ್ರಿ ತಂಗಲು ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಥಳಾವಕಾಶ ಸಿಗಬಹುದೇ?
ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಜಾಗವಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಭರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಗೋ, ಜಾನುವಾರುಗಳ ಹಟ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಥಳಾವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡುತ್ತೇವೆ, ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಕ್ರಿಸ್ತನ ಜನನದ ಮುನ್ಸೂಚನೆಯಾಗಿ ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರವೊಂದು ಕಾಣಿಸಿತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಜನರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ, ದೂರ ದೇಶದ ಜ್ಞಾನಿಗಳು ಚುಕ್ಕಿಯ ನೋಡಿದರು, ನಕ್ಷತ್ರದ ಬೆನ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ನಡೆದರು, ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯ ಹುಡುಕುತ್ತ ಬಂದರು, ಆ ಮಹಾಜ್ಯೋತಿಯ ಹುಡುಕುತ್ತ ಬಂದರು.
ಅರಸನನ್ನು ಹುಡುಕುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದ ಮೂರು ರಾಯರು ಕೊನೆಗೆ ತಲುಪಿದ್ದು ಕಟುಕ ಅರಸನ ಅರಮನೆಗೆ. ಆಗ ಹೆರೋದ ಗಲಿಲಿಯದ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತಿದ್ದ. ತನ್ನ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರತಿಸ್ಪರ್ಧಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಎಂಬ ಅಳಲು ಅವನನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲೋಲ ಕಲ್ಲೋಲ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು. ಬೆತ್ಲೆಹೇಮಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಮಹಾಜ್ಯೋತಿಯನ್ನು ಆರಿಸಲು ಸೈತಾನನ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಹೆರೋದನ ಆತ್ಮವನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡಿತು.
ಕೆಂಡವಾಗಿ ಕಿಡಿಕಾರಿದ, ಅಟ್ಟಹಾಸ ಮೆರೆದಾಡಿತು, ಬರುವನು ಹುಡುಕಲು ಸೈನ್ಯವ ಅಟ್ಟಿದ.
ಯೇಸು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಆ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲೇ ಭಾನು ಭುವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂತೋಷ ಸಂಭ್ರಮದ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಮೂಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಪೂರ್ವ ದಿಕ್ಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಕಾಶಮಾನವಾದ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರವೊಂದು ಕಾಣಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತದೆ. ಹತ್ತಿರದ ಹೊಲಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕುರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕಾಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಗೊಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ದೇವದೂತನೊಬ್ಬ ಕಾಣಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾನೆ.
ಅಂಜಬೇಡಿರಿ, ಆನಂದಗೊಳ್ಳಿರಿ, ಲೋಕರಕ್ಷಕ ಹುಟ್ಟಿಹನು. ದಾವಿದನೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಗೋದಲಿಯೊಂದಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಾಯಕ ಹುಟ್ಟಿಹನು. ವಸ್ತ್ರವನ್ನು ಹೊದಿಸಿದಂತ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲಗಿದಂತ ದೇವಕಂದನ ಕಾಣಿರಿ.
ಕಂದನ ಕಾಣಿರಿ.
ದೂತರ ಸಂದೇಶ ಕೇಳಿ ಕುರುಬರ ಮಂದೆಯು ಓಡಿ ಕುಣಿದಾಡಿತು ನಲಿದಾಡಿತು ದೀನಗೋದಲ ನೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ. ಕುಣಿದಾಡಿತು ನಲಿದಾಡಿತು ದೀನಗೋದಲ ನೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ.
ಜನರನ್ನು ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡಲು ಪ್ರಭು ಯೇಸು ಈ ಭೂಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವತರಿಸಿದರು. ಮುಗ್ಧ ಮಗುವಿನ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಕಂದನ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವ ಚಿಗುರಿತು, ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಬೆಳೆಯಿತು. ಈ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಕಂದ ದೇವಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಕೆಯಾದ, ನಜರೇತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಗುವಾದ, ಜೆರೂಸಲೇಮಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಜ್ಞಾನಿಯಾದ, ಗಲೀಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಪ್ರೇಮಿಯಾದ, ಕೊನೆಗೆ ತನ್ನ ತಂದೆಯ ಆಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಭಿಷೇಕಗೊಂಡು ಜನತೆಯ ಉದ್ಧಾರಕ್ಕೆಂದು ಹೊರಟ.
Merry Christmas!
Thank you, dear students of grade 4th B, for the Christmas message. Thank you, Ma'am Pramila, for your hard efforts. Special course dance team students are ready at the exit room. Parents, kindly go and collect your child. Every journey has its end. Every path stops somewhere. We have come to an end of this Assisi Fiesta. Now I would request all to rise and stand in attention position for the school anthem.
all the dignitaries in the days.
Request to the parents, those who finish the items last, please wait until they change their dress. We will announce you soon where you have to collect your awards. Parents, kindly note, they will be coming back to the exit room, so kindly wait. Parent of Sherwin 4th A, kindly come to the exit room and collect your child.